Good day. This week in class, my students are studying value. It is one of the basic elements of art, and it is what creates a form. It can take a basic shape like a circle and make it look like a form, which would be a sphere. It would do this by having your dark shadows on one side, and then they transition around to the highlight on the other side. The assignment is based on this image that you see before you. Take a ruler, make straight lines all over your page, then go back in, and I'm only requiring 2 curved lines. It doesn't have to be an entire circle or sphere. It can be part of one or even just a small hint. From there, each shape has to be shaded from the darkest dark to the lightest highlight, and you have to include the midtones in between. The one that I am working on while my class is doing this is right here. With pencil, just a regular lead pencil, you can only get so dark. The darkest I have been able to obtain so far is right here. So it's not going to be as drastic a change as the example, because obviously they used a heavier medium than just a pencil. Whenever I'm working on my values, I always start with the dark side first. I'm going to take just a small shape right here and show you how I do it, and then I'll do it in time lapse so you can watch it a little bit faster. I start with my darkest value because I can always work lighter as I work out from it. Heavy pressure at first, so that way you make sure that your dark is dark. And as you move out from it, just let up on the pressure. It's that simple. And as you go, keep letting up. I don't use a finger or a napkin to blend my shades. I just simply use my pencil. I can always go back and work on my darks if they start to look different from how they should look, if they don't look smooth, if they don't blend well, don't look dark enough. And then once you get up here, it's barely, my pencil's barely touching the paper. It's just very, very light. I believe I used the term on my colored pencil tutorial, tickling the paper, and I would definitely use that term again because you are so lightly, barely touching the paper once you get up here to your highlight. I see that right here the transition's not very smooth, so I'm going to go back in and work on it. And there you have it. Let's get to some time lapse.